Hi friends, good morning. Today we have to see the next class continuation, class 6. Today in this class, we are going to discuss the concepts of mutable objects and immutable objects, which are very important when you go for coming classes. And we have to know the differences between immutable object and immutable objects, which will come in the interview questions also. So we need to more focus on that. Actually, immutable objects is nothing but the data which does not allow to modify or update the elements. These objects called as immutable objects. So it means to say the object data, the object which does not allow, when it very clearly, which does not allow, to modify or update the elements. So it's a fixed. These kind of objects called immutable objects. So we cannot create two different immutable objects for the same data. So immutable objects, we cannot create two different objects for the same data. So data will be different for each and every. So data will be two. You cannot create two different immutable objects for same data. So same data, if you have a same data, we have only same mutable object. So we cannot have. So next, immutable objects, example, int, float, boolean, complex, tuple, string. So these are the immutable objects. So if you wanted to understand more clear, what is the mutable objects? So example, I'll take the program and I'll show how the things will be working. So triple quotes I'm giving. After that, I'll explain what is triple quotes. So these are comes under immutable objects here. So I can write to more clear. Immutable objects. Immutable objects. So let us, we can write one sample program to understand mutable. I'm writing one program. So I was given the work in this string data type I took. I go for all if you required. So A is equal to, I return the string Praveen and print A, type of A, ID address you can find, and another object I created Praveen, print B. So the data is same. Praveen is a same data. This is, I return the string format. So when you're writing these things in the string format, this leads to the immutable objects. So there are the same data. I cannot create two different objects. So example, if I save it and run it, you understand different. It will be this A is equal to Praveen and B is equal to Praveen. Both are same data which have a same address, not a different address. Same address will come. Let's see, I'll show. So something we missed out. Huh? Okay. Okay, just control S and save it. You can run the program. Undetermined. What happened to you? So some extra we are given. No issues. So once again we rerun the program. Okay. Now address will execute now. Now this is a print A. A is equal to Praveen. It's a string type. It comes under your immutable objects. So the address of what 1359211. This one same. This also same. It means both are same address locations because same data. Understood? Our data is same, but address should be same. So this comes, if it is this comes under immutable objects. So same. I'll take another example. Control C. Control V. Here I can give string, right? I'll go for a integer. We can give for your understanding. For integer, I'll give 1, 2, 3. One value I've given, and another value same you should give, right? Same data we need to give 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. So int I was given. So int also just now is given string, and I was given int. Let's see how this work. Control S. So same address should get. We need to should get. Let's see how those things will go into working very clearly. So we wanted to more clearance, you can close it and run it. Big display for our clearance. Now let's see how wonders will come. Okay. So same here, the things will be very clear. So here 2841,856, 1261. So it means to say for the same data type, we are going to get same address locations. So it means to say these are some same data. We are not supposed to create a different objects in the memory location of RAM. This comes under immutable objects. So we can try with our examples. Let's I tried with the integer data type. And string I typed, we can type float and boolean, whatever you type, it will going to get same. It's not a big matter. If you wanted to give, I can give for your convenient another way. Control C, Control V. Here you can try for a float. If you don't type float type, you see the value you can give some example 112.53 you are given. So here also 12.53 again, 12.53. Let's see if this address will be getting same or not. Control yes. And you can run it. Let's see how wonders will go. So all the cases address should be unique for the both. Here also same for this. This will be same. Till here it's a string format. Next, another case we are going to get integer type. Same address we got integer. Next, third class again float type. Same address we got. So like this, you can try for another example also for your convenient. So I hope it's clear. Mutable objects. So let's go for. I told you mutable is clear, right? Now let's go for immutable objects. So immutable objects means little is quite opposite. This data which allows to modify or update the elements of those objects called as mutable objects. So we can modify, you can as per your requirement, you can give. That comes under, you can modify the address locations by the same data. This comes under to go for immutable objects. So in the mutable objects, created two different mutable objects for the same data. Same data, if you give it, will go to two different address locations. So mutable objects created list, set, dictionary, frozen. So this is these four data types. If you use, take use and give same data, you are going to get different address locations. It's working like that or not. You can see. Also, I will show for your convenient. So this is example I written right for your. I'll give Control V. Will give. So this we can see. Let's first example for mutable. Now we'll go for immutable. First I'll go next I'll for mutable objects. So mutable objects type I have given a program. So what are the mutable objects? That also will copy for you. This is the mutable objects. So you can give list, set, dictionary, all types will comes under a mutable case. Okay, I'm writing a program with a list type I can write. So list I'll try to give. This is a list data type will give. So here list case. We can give the values in the list format. So same example, it will take with it to understand all. So it's simple to save our valuable time over here. So previously I defined the program, it's simple. So I given the list same data type. So I have given A is equal to, I written the program, list type I took. I can define the data, mutable object in the list, set, dictionary, frozen, whatever you want to give. So I given A is equal to Praveen 100, 2.36, three different data types, string I can give, integer and give in the list format. This is the square bracket the list data type. So same data I given. So same data means previous case, if it is the same data, the address will be same. But immutable cases, if it is same data, address should not be same, address is different. That's what I told you, that mutable objects will create two different mutable objects. But here it is create same data type. It cannot create same data type. It can create a two different. So two address locations will come. Is it coming or not? Let's see by this example. Control yes, you save it. Then you can run the program. How wonders will come. Something syntax we missed out. A is equal to, yeah, this is not listed data type. It's not recorded. This is not. Okay, anything missed out, any errors? So like this errors will come, you need to rectify and debug the code. Then only you are good. So first two things, string cases I given for a mutable case. So Praveen I given for a mutable same address you got. Let us see 268983. So these are all same address we got because these are defined in the string type. I will it is a part of mutable. Now mutable see there are two different. Now Praveen 100 2.6 list data type I given address will be different. So I see. So this is some other different address. This is some other different. Two address will be different address locations. So even the data is same. We can create two different mutable objects. I hope it's very clear. So this is a difference between the mutable and immutable objects. So if you wanted to create another example by mutable, you can take a set or dictionary, frozen. You can type your hands-on experience. I hope I written some other hands-on experience. Given this is clear. Nothing I written. So if you wanted to write another way also you can write. For your time convenient, I'm trying to write my own another way right. Control C. So you can give by set. Set you can give like this only, right? Yes. Make a flower bracket set. So how is it working set immutable or not? Let's you can see. Okay. Space is not required. You directly also. Control S. So two cases should be different. Let's see. Run it. Once I'm running to clearance form. Single place. So see now. Keeping aside to understand. So here the things will be same. So how this thing should go to working here. List to type I given. So here previously list to type I was given. So same address locations you got. Praveen 100. Next case I was given the string. Sorry. Set type. Set type means two different address locations. This is one address location. This is one address location. Same data, different address locations we got. Okay. So even before list set dictionary frozen at same data. Mutable, it's same immutable. If you wanted to another case also, you try with your own. This is comes under set data type. This is a set data type. So if you want to some more example, I'll take with dictionary. Time parameters, we go for dictionary also. It's working properly at hands-on. Dictionary means what I told you. It will like Praveen key pair combination. Praveen is equal to KSP. Okay. Next, I'm writing the topper another value writing. Topper or else mobile phone. I am using my mobile phone example. We are using a 50,000. So mobile is a 50,000. I will give key pair combination. So this is comes under when a key value combination will come, it leads to dictionary data type. The sets case, we give like colons like key and value, it leads to dictionary data type. So let's see how dictionary data type should work. It's a dictionary data type is mutable or immutable? Mutable. If it is same data, even give different address will come. Let's save it. How wonders will come. Let's see. Yes, something is missed out. KSP is not defined. Why I define? So KSP it leads to. It is a string, right? I hope I didn't miss out a double. No, it could not be. It could be correct. Okay. String you must give in the colon, right? Forgot to give. Control save and you can run the program. So we we can debug the code whenever the problem will come. You are ready to debug your code. Okay. Now let us say Praveen string type. It comes under immutable objects. Same address will come. Now second case I took list data type. It's a mutable, different address type. Next I took a dictionary for your understanding. Different address location. Next I took dictionary instead. So three combinations I seen in the mutable. So if you wanted to understand more hands-on experience, mutable or immutable, what are types you want to remember for a long time, we can use int, float, bool, complex, tuple, string. These are all you can use for using a multiple your own. You can try to. Okay. Yeah. In interview point of view, you need to remember mutable. What are immutable? Mutable is int, float, bool, complex, tuple, string, and mutable cases list, dictionary, string, frozen term. So these are comes under immutable objects. Different will create, its same will create for the same data type. I hope it's very clear. Thanks for watching and continue the next class. Next class we'll go for a discussion of input functions and some differences between second version and third version of Pythons. Those are still not installed, please install your third version latest install and try to work on our own examples of regular. It could be easy to you. If you wanted to continue watching our videos, I've shown you, right? We can go for our academy. In that case, Academy 2010 playlist I kept videos Python for beginners. Here you can watch and enjoy. So continuous sequence, it could be easy to understand the continuous flow of the classes. Okay, thanks for watching. Keep continue. We'll see you meet on next class. Thank you.